Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a video to show you how to access activities on Seesaw. So when you're in Seesaw, to access your activities, you're going to go to the Activities tab that has a light bulb on it. Once you're there, all your activities will be here in what we call the feed. So for example, on Monday, you're going to have some different things in your feed to do. What I want you to do is every day, I want you to go to the schedule activity. So you can tell that this is the schedule activity because it has this rectangle that has these different colored squares in it. And it says Monday, September 21st, daily schedule. So what I want you to do is go there, and then anytime you're going to do an activity in Seesaw, you go to the green Add Response button and you press it. That's how you open the activity. Then you have to select your name. So all the kids in our class have their names right here with an animal next to their name. How fun is that? I am going to choose sample student because I'm the teacher, but you would choose your name. So what happens is it opens the activity. Now for the schedule activity, the reason I want you to open that one is that in the schedule activity, it's going to show you all the things that you're going to do at school that day, and anything you need to do on the computer, it's going to have a link right there for you to press. So that way, all you have to do is come to the schedule activity, and you don't have to go all around on your computer trying to figure out where to go for all these different activities. So here is something I want you to look at. This is a picture of a link. So see how it looks? When you hover over it, the website, the link comes up. So this is Monday's schedule. So let's say that you log in and it's time for your 9 o'clock class meeting. You're going to press on the link. And it's going to open your class meeting. Oh, hello. So once you're in the meeting, you're going to press join now. I'm not going to do that because our meeting isn't happening. So let's say the meeting is over, you've done a break. Now it's time to do Seesaw activities. Well, all you have to do is press on the link and it will take you to the first Seesaw activity for you to do. So here I am with the Seesaw activity, and all I have to do is press the green Add Response button. Remember to find your name. I just pressed sample student because I'm the teacher. So here it says back to school with Seesaw. Well, what you're going to do is go over here to the different slides. Page 1 is just kind of like an introduction. So that just means you don't really need to do anything with it. You can just skip over it and go to number 2. This says use the, and it's a blue writing utensil, so a blue pencil to write your name. So I click on that and I can choose the blue. Let's see, I want that one. And I'm going to write my name. So I'm going to start all the way over to the side so I have enough room. Mrs. Trailer. Then when I'm done with that, I go to the next slide. And this says use the T to type your name. Well, this means text box. When you click on that, then you can type on your keyboard. So Mrs. Trailer. Okay, then I'm ready to go to the next one. So I go to 4. So 1, 2, 3, now we're on 4. Use the camera to take a picture of yourself. So I go and I find the camera and I take a picture of myself. Oh, this says photo, video, upload. I want to take a photo. So I'm going to go like this. And it took my picture. How fun is that? And then I go to the next one. Use the blue pencil to draw a picture of 3 things you like. Tap the microphone to record your voice telling about these things. Okay, so I'm going to click on this, and it's on blue already. So, okay, I really love coffee. So I'm going to draw this mug with some steam coming off of it. And oh, I just love pizza so much. So here's pizza. Yummy. Pepperoni. So delicious. What else do I love? Well, I've got coffee, I've got pizza. Oh, I love teaching. Sometimes people use an apple as like a symbol for a teacher's. Like an apple makes people think of teachers. So I'll just draw those 3 things. So now I'm going to tap the microphone to record my voice telling about these things. So I'm going to tap here and I'm going to say, I'm going to press start recording. I love coffee, pizza, and teaching. And then I press pause. So now I've done all of the things. So I go up here to the done button, and then I press the green check. It says, we're uploading your post. This can take a few minutes. So if you see that, you just press OK. And you just wait. So after you've pressed the green check, and you've gotten that, press it again if you need to, just like I just did. And now I am all done with that activity. So I can go back to my schedule. Oh, I'm done with that. So then I would go to this one and press on the link and do my Seesaw activity. And then if I'm done with that, maybe I get up and walk around for a minute and get a drink of water if I want to. And then I can come back and I can read a book if you have books at your house, or you can go on Epic by clicking on the link and putting in this class code, PZY4899. When it comes to be 11 o'clock in the morning, we're going to have another class meeting to do some calendar and a number talk. So you can press right here on the link to join back in the meeting. I will tell you more at the meeting about the afternoon. All right, I hope this helped you to know what to do on Monday for your schedule. I am so excited to get started with our school year.